Hello, family. Bonjour, la famille. How are you? How are you doing? Welcome to All Things Manteme. Of course, with your girl, Manteme. So, if you don't know my name, yes, that's my name, Manteme. And guys, today I'm very excited that at least I am going to put everyone into perspective. I'm going to clarify some things and I'm going to, let you know, guys, of what you should expect on my channel and how many times can you expect a video per week. You understand? And the value that I'll be adding to you guys and what I expect of my family. So, guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to people who have worked with me from when I was starting. And I thought the family is growing. It's very important that everyone knows what the channel is about and what's happening. And this is not a rebranding as such, but it's just clarifying things. You understand? We are just clearing the air so that we are on the same page. So, on All Things Manteme, you can expect makeup tutorials. Yes, I will be uploading makeup tutorials for you guys. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there who do makeup tutorials, but sometimes they complicate things. So I don't like complicated things because it's not necessary all the time, and you cannot always be applying this full glam makeup, like complicated things. I simplify makeup for you. I simplify names of products, and I think that's the best thing you can get. I'm definitely going to invest more by uploading more tutorials for you, more makeup products. I'll be doing a lot of makeup reviews in this coming month. I will really be coming through for you guys. Another thing that you can expect on this channel is a little bit of fashion, a little bit of fashion and try on hauls. I am about affordability, but also timeless. I don't want us to just be wearing clothes that everyone has, and then when they're out of fashion, you still feel like you need to buy. Another thing that you're going to see is obviously wig installations. Yes, I'm in my era of wig influencing, and I feel like I shouldn't even hide away that I am pushing to be a wig influencer. You understand? Because we are here to grow together, and I want you guys at the end of the day, when I reach 10k subscribers or 100,000 subscribers, you guys can say we saw you grow in front of our eyes. You understand? It's all about honesty and transparency on this channel the best way we can. I don't mind being seen trying. I really don't mind. And especially when I know where I want to go, I don't mind. And the last thing that it's so close to my heart that I really wanted to tell you guys is that you can expect faith conversation. I am a Jesus girl. I am a lover of God. And for the longest time, I felt like I have been suppressing this voice of God that is in me, that I should start having this faith conversations. We are young and we are saved, and there are so many things that we don't talk about, and it's so hard as a Christian girl. It's really not easy, guys, to be a Christian girl, and then you're experiencing certain things, but you don't know who to go to. You don't have anyone who speaks about it. And so I am here to open up about my faith journey the biblical way. In the beginning of the week, I will definitely upload a makeup tutorial, and then towards the end of the week, I will upload the faith conversation, just so that I put everything in order. I hope I have clarified that. It's very important for me to be authentic. I want to do makeup tutorials, but I also have this thing in me that I really want to get out there and encourage other Jesus girls. And if you are not yet a Jesus girl, I am here to hook you in. I'm here to plug you into Jesus. If I can plug you with the gospel, I am good. I was not intentional about it. I was obviously bringing content, but I was not intentional about it. I was like in, out. I'm scared. And one thing, guys, when God puts something in your heart or in your spirit, when God leads you or guides you to a certain direction, you are definitely going to be scared to take that direction because people are used to makeup tutorials only. Suppose from me, you understand? Now, when I come with a new thing, it's giving rebranding, it's giving what are you doing? You understand? And so I was scared. But there's this one thought that came in my mind that am I gonna obey God or not? And I'm like, God, I wanna obey you. But then I'm like, I'm scared. And then the Holy Spirit just gave me this hint. He's like, okay, let me just show you something. What if you wake up one morning, you are trending, you are all of a sudden you are this big influencer? Because you know what, guys, to grow on YouTube or on social media, it can take one video, one thing, and then and all of a sudden you are this big influencer, you understand? And then God says, what if one day you blow up, like you go viral and you become this big influencer that you want to become, and then you did not obey the Holy Spirit? Are you going to now start bringing what I have put in your heart then? Like, is it that time when now you are going to say, oh guys, I'm here to talk about faith, or guys, let's talk about godly confidence, or let's talk about this and this church? And is that the time that you are going to talk about? Because with social media, you have to build up. People have to know you for that thing. And if you don't start early because you are scared, because you feel like it's irrelevant, because you don't know how it's going to be received, you might just find yourself missing the whole opportunity that God had for you. You might find yourself on the wrong side of God, because if God tells you to do something, He knows why. You understand? I wanted to start a podcast, and God said, you are not starting any podcast now, because you have to prepare for a podcast. You don't just start with a podcast and then all of a sudden you are a podcast girl. You are not growing your channel, you are growing something. So in other words, I wanted to focus on something else. And the reason why I wanted to start a new podcast is because I was so scared that it might not do well. These conversations might not go well. God, let me just start a new podcast with a new name where no one knows me. You understand? And then I'll just grow automatically. And God said, you're going to do it right there with your name, right there on YouTube. You're going to do it right there. You're going to grow there. You understand? And sometimes you just have to obey God. You have to obey God. And for me, answering to this call, I know what it means for me, and I know why God has led me to start these faith conversations. I know why He did that. And so me dodging it, it was just me, I don't know. I wanted drama. Like, I really wanted drama. So yeah, that's what you can expect from this channel. And I really want us to engage and to have authentic conversations as Christian girls, as people who love God. And yeah, that's all, guys. That's all. And so in a week, basically, you can expect 2 videos. I want to do more. I want to do better. I want to push myself to do better. You understand? Because I have time. I have the luxury of time. So I want to push myself. I want to work as if someone has hired me. And also on this channel, we don't gatekeep. So if you need anything, like especially when it comes to makeup, clothes, wigs, what not, whatever you need that you see on this channel, I'm definitely going to tell you how to get it, where to get it. Like, I don't gatekeep at all. So that's something also that you can gain on my channel. I love you so much, guys. I cannot wait to see you guys on my comment section, commenting and suggesting some topics that you would want me to talk about. Do not forget to subscribe and to comment and to share the video and like, because when you like my videos, you make my videos to be seen by a larger audience. Till we meet again next week. Bye. 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 Bye bye. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bye bye. Da 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 da. Bye bye. Yep. Yep. Boom.